Welcome everyone. Today we are going to show you how to use this Animated Aquarium Custom Visual in your reports. Let's start our today's tutorial. We are going to use this simple dataset to create this dashboard. So let's go ahead and load this data into the Power BI application. Select the sales table in the Navigator window and click on the Load button. Now we can use this data in our dashboard. So let's start by creating a title using a text box visual. Let's add a visual border to this text box. Let's add a scatter chart to display the correlation between sales and profit. Add the salesperson field to values and profit to y-axis. Add the sales field to the x-axis of scatter chart. Let's add visual borders to the chart as well, and a trend line as well to make the data more meaningful. Let's turn on labels for these data points. Now, the dots above this trend line show sales that are more profitable, although John has highest sales and overall profit, but Alice and Sarah were more profitable per sales. Now, let's add a column chart to our dashboard and add the salesperson field to the x-axis. Add the profit field to the y-axis. Let's turn on visual borders for this visual as well. For our final visual, we will go online and download a custom visual. Now let's look for a visual with Animated Aquarium. Click on this visual and then click on the Add button to add this visual to your report. Now this visual will be made available in the Build pane among other visuals. And we can now add it to our dashboard, just like other visuals. Let's display salespersons as fish in the aquarium. Sales of each salesperson are perfect to display the size of their fish. Profit is suitable to animate the speed of each fish. Let's also turn on visual borders for this visual for better visual appearance. And this is how we use this animated visual in our reports. Beware that is a paid visual, and not all functions are available in free version. But basic functionality is available as demonstrated in this video. And with this we end our video. See you with another topic in future. Till then, good luck with your learning.